Minimalism is sometimes defined as living with as little as possible. And while it's true that minimalists try to own only the possessions they need to own, minimalism isn't about owning as little as humanly possible. Minimalism is about owning only what you need to accomplish your greatest purposes in life. It's a subtle difference, but it's an important one. Here's how I describe it. Minimalism is the intentional promotion of the things I most value by removing everything that distracts me from it. It's not about living a smaller life, it's about living a bigger one. It's a way of thinking that allows us to focus on what truly matters by cutting out the excess that distracts us from our purpose. And even if you don't identify as a minimalist, there are habits practiced by minimalists that can help you promote your values and your life. Here are 10 minimalist habits that can make a difference in how you live. Number 1, minimalists wear a capsule wardrobe. Minimalists are known for simplifying their wardrobe by sticking to a limited number of timeless, versatile pieces. In other words, I pretty much wear the same thing every day. In fact, here's a video about why I love it so much. While you may not want to take it that far, this habit isn't just about owning fewer clothes, it's about removing decision fatigue and shopping fatigue. By creating a capsule wardrobe, you can streamline your mornings, which frees up mental energy for more important decisions throughout your day. Number 2, minimalists think hard before making a purchase. They're deliberate in their spending. Instead of impulse buying or accumulating things they don't truly need, they pause and ask, could this money be spent better elsewhere? This simple question changes our relationship with material goods. By adopting this habit, you can avoid buyer's remorse, you can reduce clutter, you can save time, and also save money. A win-win, win-win, if I've ever heard one. Number 3, they champion intentional living. Just to reiterate, minimalism isn't just about owning fewer things, it's about living life with purpose. Minimalists take time to consider how they're spending their time, energy, and resources. They look hard at their habits, tendencies, and motivations. They ask questions like, am I living in alignment with my values? This focus on intentional living helps to clarify priorities, which leads to a life that is more fulfilling. Everyone can benefit from more of this in their life. Number 4, minimalists remove clutter from their surroundings. They understand that clutter in our physical environment leads to clutter in our minds. They make it a regular practice to remove items that are no longer serving a purpose. By decluttering your space, you can remove visual noise and distraction and create room for clarity, creativity, and calm. So whether it's your desk, your closet, or even the digital files on your computer, remove the excess. Number 5, minimalists embrace routine to get more done. Rather than seeing routine as mundane, minimalists embrace it as a tool for productivity. When certain tasks are automated or put on a schedule, like exercising at the same time every day or preparing meals in advance, it frees up mental bandwidth for more meaningful activities during your week. Routine helps simplify your day, it reduces distraction and stress, and it increases efficiency, which means more time for what you love to do. If you want to test this out, start by choosing just one section of your day, morning, afternoon, end of the day, and see how establishing a routine naturally increases your productivity. Number 6, minimalists question common assumptions. Minimalists challenge constantly the status quo of society and culture. They have experienced how going against the commonly held assumptions about possessions ends up improving their lives. And so as a result, they begin asking why. Why do we need the latest gadgets? Why do we work so many hours? Why do we accumulate things that we never use? By questioning common assumptions, minimalists free themselves from societal pressures that often lead to overconsumption and burnout. Adopting this habit can help you break free from unhealthy norms and create a life that is uniquely your own. You don't have to live like everyone else. In fact, you'll probably be happier if you don't. Number 7, they prioritize experiences over things. Minimalists place high value on experiences over possessions. Instead of spending money on things that collect dust, they invest in memories, a family vacation, a weekend hike, a nice dinner with loved ones. Studies show that experiences bring more long-lasting happiness than material goods. So by shifting your focus to experiences, you can fill your life with moments that truly enrich your soul. Here's another minimalist habit that you can embrace into your life. We work hard to limit digital distractions. We live in a world of constant notifications, emails, social media updates, news stories. Minimalists make a conscious effort to limit those distractions, recognizing how they steal time and attention from us. So whether it's turning off notifications, setting boundaries for social media, or even having designated unplugged hours, this habit allows for focus, presence, and productivity. Number 9, minimalists practice gratitude regularly. Gratitude is a core habit of minimalism. Instead of focusing on what they lack, minimalists focus on what they already have. This shift in mindset helps cultivate contentment and happiness. By practicing gratitude daily, whether through journaling, through prayer, or simply taking a moment to reflect before you go to bed, you can train your mind to appreciate the present rather than always chasing after more. And a 10th habit, minimalists focus on quality over quantity. Minimalists prioritize quality in everything they do, whether it's their possessions, their habits, or how they spend their time and money. Instead of accumulating more things, they focus on investing in higher quality things that last longer and bring more value. The same mindset extends to time and energy. Focusing on fewer, more meaningful commitments ensures that each one is done well, purposeful, and with intention. Now, these habits, of course, are not exclusive to minimalists. So whether or not you identify with minimalism, incorporating these practices can help you live with more purpose and greater fulfillment. The beauty of minimalism is that it looks different from one person to another. And it doesn't just transform our spaces, it transforms our mindset and the way we engage with the world. And that is a life change that holds benefit for everyone.